Introducing Dynamic Duo Whispering Meadow, a 2-piece layering stencil set. We're going to have a look at the layering guide that comes with your set. Inside, it shows you how to layer together the 2 stencils and the coordinating stamp set to add detail to your image. On the right-hand side, you'll see inks used to create the image shown, as well as additional supplies that they used. Next, we'll move on. There's also a stamp set included in the Dynamic Duo. Lots of beautiful sentiments this month that curve, and the centers for our flowers to add detail. For an additional purchase in the store, you can get the add-on die set to cut either the oval outline or the flowers. We're going to go ahead and get started. I have a piece of A2 cardstock inside my stamp wheel. I've put Stencil 1 in Section A, and I'm using Coral Bliss to blend on the ink. You'll notice I am holding certain sections. This is a masking stencil, so anything underneath the flowers will remain white so we can fill it in later. So I want to make sure that I get a nice crisp image, so I'm holding down the parts that are a little fiddly. Next, on stencil number 1, we'll move to B1. I'm going to use the beautiful color Blush for the first base of my flowers on this stencil section. Next, we'll move to stencil number 2. On stencil number 2, we're going to add the flower layer with B2. I'm using Lavender Fields and a micro blending brush to add this. Next, on stencil 2, C1. This will give us the base of our leaves. I am using a micro blending brush again with Grass Field this time. And finally, on stencil 2, C2, we're going to add the layer to our leaves with Mountain Pine. And that will finish off our stenciling. I'm now going to put into place D1 and E1. Then I'll pick those up with my flip plate. I will use the beautiful fresh lemon, and then I will put D2 and E2 into place, and we will use Honey Drizzle for those. And then we're going to go ahead and place our sentiments around our beautifully stenciled image. I'm getting those centered. I'll pick them up with my flip plate, use Obsidian pigment ink to stamp them, and my project is finished. I hope this was helpful in layering together your Dynamic Duo Whispering Meadow. Here is some inspiration from our fantastic designers. To find out more about Dynamic Duo Whispering Meadow and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.